Hola! Today we'll be decorating magnetic ceramic skulls with markers. Skulls are usually associated with Mexican culture because of Day of the Dead, Dia de Muertos, a holiday where we remember our loved ones and celebrate death. During the celebration, there's tons of skulls everywhere. There's skull candy, skull decoration, and people even dress as them. So right now we're gonna make our own decoration. Let's start. Get your markers out. Choose your favorite colors and begin decorating your ceramic skull. I started with the inside of the eyes, and then on the outside I painted flowers. Don't forget the nose and some forehead decorations. I chose to make the top of my ceramic skull yellow, the middle pink, and the bottom purple. Bring out the mouth a little more using the black marker. Let's add more fun shapes. Don't forget to also cover the sides. We are almost done. It's looking great. To finish the skull off, write your name on its back and put some glue to get the magnet to stick. And there you have it. These ceramic skulls are now ready. We are done decorating our ceramic skulls. I hope you had fun and I'll see you next time. Adios!
Dos Manos Craft Kits.
To see more Dos Manos kits, go to www.teachersdiscovery.com and type in Dos Manos in the search bar.